Hey everyone, okay, so this is truly the very best. It's a pretty short video, but it's the very, very best of skincare and anti-aging devices, or should I say device, LED in particular. So let's just make a start. So let's start with cleanser. You already know what I'm going to say. Eve Lom, it's the best. It truly is. It's got to be 24, 25 years of use. It's amazing. It's still my favorite. I stock up on these. I stock up on all skincare once a year. It's my favorite. It takes everything off and leaves the skin so soft. Okay, so if you're ready for a sexy little discount code, then use code WayneBF. You'll see it on the screen, description bar. So this is for current body. Yay! So I've been using the Series 1 LED mask for at least 5 years now. So a long time. And I have tried many others and I always come back to this one because it just gives me results really, really quickly. And you know I love LED. But they've recently upgraded. Yep, the Series 2 is here. And honestly, the moment it was released, I got it. So if you love LED therapy like I do, then you will absolutely love this because LED therapy is absolutely epic. Now, the Series 2 really is, I think, a little bit of a revolution in LED mask technology because it benefits every single skin type, from anti-aging to psoriasis. We're talking about the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, reducing redness, enhancing collagen. It is such a great device. Skincare can only do so much. It's a wonderful long list, which is why I use it. Okay, so quickly, what makes Series 2 different? So firstly, they've changed the shape, which is a really big deal. It has a best fit flexible liquid silicone shape now, which has been tested on thousands of faces. Believe me, this is a brilliant upgrade. It gives maximum coverage and comfort, which is honestly, you've got to see it to believe it. It just fits onto the face instantly. And some masks just don't do that. So this is why it's excellent for that. Now, secondly, the Series 2 mask has 236 LED bulbs, which emit 3 different wavelengths. Now, look, truthfully speaking, I'm not a scientist, as you well know, so it's absolutely pointless me trying to explain what they do because I don't really understand. I'm not a mechanic either, but I can benefit from a car. That's how I like to think about all this scientific stuff that I just don't get. So the point is, this stuff works. Now, I have been using LED light therapy for a very, very, very long time. And the reason I keep using it is because it works. LED light therapy for me, and trust me, I use LED masks 5 times, sometimes 6, sometimes 7 days a week. It's not a lot of investment to get benefits from your skin because, like I said, skincare can take you so far, but by using something that actually works, that's been proven to work, you get the maximum benefits. And also, each mask actually features a unique Veritas NFC card, which actually provides the information on how your individual mask delivers results. And of course, unlike a lot of skincare devices that claim to do a lot, there is no downtime, it's completely painless, no side effects, and it takes 10 minutes a day. And that's why I use it. Because truthfully speaking, if it's gonna take a long time, I'm not gonna use it. It's that simple. I know I won't. I bought stuff in the past. Just 30 minutes a day, it's too long. This is 20 minutes, it's completely portable. You can walk around with it, you can do your chores, you can watch telly, whatever it is you like. It's amazing. Okay, exfoliants. So, Dr. Dennis Goss, I keep repurchasing them. I really like them. I don't exfoliate every single day. I really don't. A couple of times a week because I use an exfoliating cleanser with a muslin cloth. And of course I use a prescription strength retinoid. So that's why I don't exfoliate daily, but a couple of times a week, I'll pop these out and things look brighter. Okay, so when it comes to sunscreen, there's actually 2 options. One is for winter. So I like to use the Supergoop Play because it's really hydrating for me, and also it's a huge bottle so it lasts an age. But when my skin is oily or in summertime, I tend to use the Eucerin, and this is the SPF 50, and it is the oil control formula, which I love. Okay, moisturizer. No, hands down, no issues. It will always be this Dr. Sam Bunting. This is her gorgeous, flawless moisturizer, Intense. Hands down the best moisturizer if you use, particularly if you've got dry skin, but if you use a prescription strength product or a retinoid product or retinol product, you will love it. It's amazing. So speaking of your prescription strength products, this is the one I use. It's from a company called Klira, Klira. It's wonderful. It's so good. Couple of pumps. It's specifically tailored to you, including the base. So not just the strength, but the base, which is what sets it apart from other brands. I love it. I've been using it now since February. Here we are, it's December. And oh, by the way, no irritation. And of course, combine it with a moisturizer. And finally, an oil. Now, I do love a face oil. I'm loving this one at the moment. Now, this is by RMS and it is the Beauty Oil. It smells heavenly. You can actually use it for your makeup as well, either blending it in to sheer things out and give a glow, or as a kind of primer before. But I just like to use it with skincare at night as the last resort. It's really, really good. It feels amazing on the skin. I love it. And that's it. That is my complete collection. Now, all the information in the description bar, and don't forget you get 20% off with Current Body for the gorgeous Series 2 mask, which is absolutely epic. So don't forget to use the code WayneBF for that 20% off. Thanks for watching, my friends. I do appreciate it, I really do. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.